Hello, in this presentation I'm going to discuss the analysis of a factorial design. Let's start with an example. Here is an example. Here is a study of a 4 by 3 factorial design. First factor is the housing, with the cage, barn, free range, and the organic. And the second factor is the large and the medium. So the first thing first, let's see what the question is asking. Let's look at the data set first. So this is the data set. So let's export the data set to Excel. I click on this, and then I say space, delimited form, then I say OK. Well, I have a pre-programmed in an Excel, and here I go. When I paste the data set, all the analysis are complete. So here is my result. Here is my result. Let me just shrink it a little. Okay, so this is my ANOVA, analysis of variance table. Okay, so I already have the output. Now let me go. I'm done this one. Okay, continue. The first question is, excuse me, identify the factors of this experiment. Well, of course, housing and the weight class are the factors. So check, yes. Okay. So the next question is identify the treatments. Okay, well, of course, medium and large, medium and large, medium and large, and large, and medium. So these are the treatments. Okay, I hope I covered all of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Am I missing something? M, L, M, L, M, L, L, M. No, I'm done. Okay, check the answer. Yes, okay, here it is. So now continue. Now they're asking for the ANOVA. I already have the analysis of variance. So the degrees of freedom is 3, and then 1, and then 3, and then 20, and then 27, and then sum of square is 9904, 9904.79, and then here 660, 571, and now 281.289. Now 829 rather. 829. Now next one is 3986.667, and the last one is 14,14833.86. Okay, mean sum of square is 3301 dot 597 means sum of square, and then here 660.571. The next one is 9393.943, and then this one is 199.333. Okay, F is 1656, and then F here is 3.313, 3.314. 314, and the last one is 0.4713. Okay, our value is 0.000, and then here 0.08383, and this is 706. Okay, check the answer. What did I make a mistake right here? Oh, these should be 199.33. I put a comma in there. Sorry about that. 99.333. It's a very finicky system. Yeah, I got it. So here the analysis. Okay, let's move forward. So continue. Is there an evidence of interaction? Look at this interaction. Well, F value is very smaller. This is the critical value. So there is no evidence of interaction. Continue. Okay. So what is the null hypothesis of the interaction? Null hypothesis, they do not interact. Alternative, they do. Okay, good. So what is the F value? 0.471. 0.471. Okay, check answer. Yes, of course. These are basically transcribing the numbers. F alpha in this case, by using this formula, FINB formula, I have 3.1, I can say. So 3.1. Check answer, yes. What is the conclusion? Reject the null hypothesis or do not reject the null hypothesis. You can see F value is smaller than the critical value, so you do not reject the null hypothesis. Do not reject the null hypothesis, okay? So, what is this? What is your the practical implication of it? There is not sufficient evidence to conclude that there is an interaction between housing and housing system and the weight of the weight class. There is a sufficient evidence to conclude that there is an interaction between the. Well, there is no interaction, so you fail to reject the null. So this is your conclusion. Yep. So now you're going to do the same thing for the main effect and for the other effect. You're going to follow the same procedure that I have shown. So continue. Null hypothesis. The main effect, there is no main effect. Okay, there is no difference among the four main level of housing. At least then there is a larger difference between two housing mean difference. Okay, there is no evidence. Okay, here it is. Among the four main levels of housing, okay. At least two housing mean level differs. That is the alternate hypothesis. Check. Yes. Okay. So what is the F value? For the main effect for the housing, right here, main effect for the housing, F value is 16.56. Here, 16.56. Check answer, yes. Okay, F alpha, 4.35. F alpha is 4.35. No, F alpha should be the same here, 3.09, because you're doing for the housing, degrees of freedom is 3. Okay, 3 and 20. So it should be the same, 3.1. So F alpha is 3.1. Check answer, yes. Okay, so you're going to do the same thing. What is the conclusion of the hypothesis test? In this case, you are going to reject because your F value is much larger than the critical value. So reject the null hypothesis. Check answer, Yes. Okay, that is it. Thank you.